Welcome everyone to this quick tutorial on how to console into a Cisco device using Macintosh operating system. So the software we are going to be using is Terminal. So to start Terminal, I'm going to press Command and spacebar on the keyboard and type in Terminal. Once the software has opened, first thing we need to do is change the directory to the one where we can locate all the devices connected using the USB. So we're going to type in cd, change directory, then forward slash and type in dev. Now we are in the dev directory. Now we need to list all the devices connected using USB. So we're going to type in ls space negative L space 5 space grep space USB. The one we are looking for is the second one that starts with the TTY. So we're going to type in screen space TTY dot USB and hit the tab button on the keyboard. It's the same as the Cisco operating system. Tab will finish the line of command for us. In this case, it will finish the name for us. And then I'm going to type in the speed of the link, which is 9600. Hit enter, and now you are successfully consoled into the device. To log out, you can press Control A and backslash on the keyboard. It will pop up at the bottom left corner of the screen, so we can press Y on the keyboard and we are logged out.